Hey guys. So I don't have a lot of pharmacy products that I just recently, or I just ordered a couple. Oh man. I just ordered a couple things through pharmacy not too long ago. We have the limited edition um, uh, a lip set, and uh, so if anyone is interested in getting this, it's not going to be on here for very long. It is for Valentine's, and look at the shades. I love it. This is shade 214. So freaking pretty. That is so pretty. Has like a slight vanilla scent. So that's nice. I love that. And then look at this one. That is super pretty. This is shade 215. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. Shade 216. Oh, that's so bright pink. Look at that. Oh my word. Those are bright. And then shade 217. So Farmasi has a lot of like nudie shades. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's 217. They have a lot of nudie shades. They don't have a lot of like bright colors like the two middle shades that I just shown you all. They don't have many. I don't know why. It's just more or less of those like um it's just something like a lot of people love the nude shades. And I can understand that. Like, who doesn't? I mean, I wear a lot of the nudes um, quite often. So I don't think about it. All right, so they also brought out two new shades of the lipstick and also our liquid matte lipsticks. This one is shade 213 and it is called, I forget what it's called. It was like Coral Pop or something. I don't know. But it is a really bright lipstick. A really bright lipstick. Um, yeah. Now, don't forget, these do dry down rather matte. Ooh, it looks like it has, no, it does not. So it is super pretty. Um, so they dry down really quickly. Um, so if anyone does not like that kind of formula, would not recommend getting this. These ones are a little bit better. Um, they're this would be shade 46, I think. So this is what the bullet looks like. Very standard form. It's the same shade, but see, same shades. Those two. Um, but perfect for spring. So if anyone loves the spring shades, definitely recommend it. They just rolled out a new concealer shade, which is 00, which is pretty much white. Oh, they added or they did the doe foot differently. So it's super bright, very like it has like caffeine under it or in it. So it does like a nice plumping effect. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to replace the concealer that I have to the new concealer so it gives me that plumping effect. So this is all the pharmacy products that I had just recently gotten. I plan on doing another like order very soon. So if anyone needs anything, let me know. Like the new lipsticks, they just um, restocked the liquid matte lipstick. So if anyone would like to order that, I'll give you my link, or we can just I do PayPal, so you guys can send it to my PayPal. If you need the concealer, oops, I will give you my or give you so you can send me the money to PayPal, and I'll get it ordered and shipped out as soon as possible. So, it does take a little bit, not forever, but yeah. See, oh, it does have. It's not fully dry. Sorry, the pink is. It does transfer a little bit. I don't think it's fully dry. I'm sorry. It really doesn't transfer. I promise. That's a horrible, horrible, horrible uh um uh showing. It does. It doesn't stain the hand. It just takes. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm doing a bad job of this. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it doesn't stain. It just it stays on there. So if anyone has any questions about any of the Farmasi products, please let me know. If you guys want me to order it and I get it shipped out to you, best believe I would be more than happy to do that. If yeah, it's just it just takes a little while longer. You can order it through my website. You can yeah, pretty much it. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll be back on here shortly. Bye, guys.